Hello everyone, and today I'll be checking out Glitching AI, a platform that helps you launch your dropshipping business with AI powered tools. So, first head to glitching.ai website, and once you're there, browse the page for a couple of seconds, and you'll see a pop up like this offering 50% off for your first month of glitching. So, just enter your email address here, and you'll get a special discount sent to you. This is right now the best offer you can get on it. So 50% off for your first month. Now, that being said, let's quickly take a look at the pricing. So they offer three plans: Light, Chili, Unlimited, and Premium. So the Light plan is $39.99 a month. The Unlimited plan is $49.99 a month, and the Premium plan is $99.99. So if you prefer yearly pricing, you get 10 months free. So the night plan is 79.99, the unlimited is 19.99, and the premium one is 199.99 year per month per year. Plus the both of this plan comes with $500 worth of bonuses, including a 90K slash per day dropshipping case study and 500 plus images. This here exclusive, you can also get exclusive dropshipping PDFs and 500 plus image ad templates. So, whether you are just starting or looking for advanced tools, Glitching AI has a plan for you. Don't forget to grab that 50% off your first month by entering your email on their website. That's it for today. And if you're ready to start your dropshipping journey, check out glitching.ai and choose the plan that fits your needs.